Ready to unlock the secrets to reeling in more redfin than ever before? Let's dive in. First up, lure selection. Redfin are aggressive predators, but choosing the right lure is key. Start with soft plastics like paddle tails or grubs rigged on a jig head. These mimic the redfin's natural prey and are incredibly versatile. Crankbaits are another great option, especially in open water. Choose colors that match the local baitfish. Rigging your lure correctly is crucial for soft plastics. Thread the jig head through the nose of the lure, ensuring it sits straight and secure. A weedless rig can also prevent snags in areas with heavy cover. For crankbaits and spinners, simply tie directly to the lure's eyelet using a Palomar knot or improved clinch knot. These are strong and reliable knots for most fishing situations. Now for the retrieve. Redfin respond well to a variety of retrieves, so experiment to see what's working best on any given day. A steady retrieve with occasional twitches can be effective with crankbaits, while soft plastics can be hopped, dragged along the bottom, or swum with a constant speed. Vary your retrieve until you find what triggers a strike. Finally, remember to handle redfin with care. Once you've landed them, use pliers to carefully remove the hook and support their belly when holding them for a photo. And most importantly, check your local regulations for size and bag limits before you head out. Get out there, experiment with these tactics, and you'll be well on your way to catching more redfin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishing tips and tricks. Happy fishing!